So we're just looking at a couple of more combinations here. So we've got this matching coordinated set, which I suppose is ideally aimed at groom and groomsmen and little man in the party as well. So as we can see, groom's jacket, check, navy trousers with check waistcoat, and then the same check waistcoat is repeated on the groomsman's combination. So there's a nice flow, there's a nice connection between groom and the rest of the party. Then we can have a suit for little man as well, in an identical suit to the groomsman, check waistcoat, check bow. Like everything we do in Tom Murphy's, we'll actually make up the style of the outfit in exactly what you want. So for example, if somebody wants the page boy's outfit to match daddy's jacket, we'll make it up for them as well. So everything is available as custom made options as well. So you can literally have the whole wedding party totally coordinated and extremely decked out, and all the colours will flow together seamlessly. So if we just come up this way, we'll look at another combination as well. Same idea here. So if the groom wants to stand out and go for something a little bit more extravagant, we'll make the waistcoat up in the same fabric as the groom's jacket, and then we'll put it with a nice navy suit. Again, there's loads of possibilities and combinations. We do these check jackets in numerous combinations, but we'll generally try and team up the waistcoat for the lads to try and coordinate with the groom's jacket. Again, the whole flow of the wedding party looks very seamless and everything is very well coordinated. We've a couple of more examples inside this way as well. So we can look at something like this, where again the groom's jacket is a little bit more extravagant than the outfit for the rest of the guys, but we'll try and team the lads' waistcoats